Hi, I'm Dylan with Vmake. Today we're deep diving into one of my favorite tools in Vmake, and that is AI animations. If you have ever wanted to turn your ideas into a beautifully animated story, then this feature is for you, and it can be done all in your web browser. Let's be honest, making animations used to take forever. You'd need storyboards, voiceovers, design tools, and a whole load of patience. But now with Vmake, it does it all for you. So let's jump in to how to do it. Log on to vmake.ai and head over to the AI animation section on the left-hand menu. Here you're going to see two options. Enter your description to start, or upload your own script if you already have one for the animation. You'll also see DeepSeek DeepThink can be turned on or off, and when it's on, the script is even more detailed because the model is more powerful. And there are all of these cool examples at the bottom showing what Vmake can create. So for my story, I'm going to have a little bear exploring the moon as the catalyst, and then I can generate the script. Once your script is ready, you can then choose several different visual styles: anime, books, Muppets, cartoons, all the way down to animated characters. I'm going to select low poly, but this visual style allows us to match up our vision with what Vmake can deliver us. Then I can also select the characters I would like to add into my animation. I can customize my own, or I can AI generate a character. So a cool big bear with a red scarf. And here we can see a cool big bear with red scarves and red accessories, which I absolutely love. For me now, it's generated me 4 examples. I'm going to select this one, or I could even try a cyberpunk style bear. And I can make it male, and I can even choose the tonality of the voice of the character. Somebody who's a boss.
Nice to meet you.
Wow.
What a wonderful day.
Because he's a cyberpunk style bear who's cool with a blue scarf. So I'm going to generate this. I've selected the name, I've got my character, the gender, and the boss voice. So then I select save on that character.
Then what you want to do is go over to the script at the top and double click to select edit. Here you want to change the names to your new character. So for example, I've changed mine from Boomy to Dillmake because that is what I name my character across all of the script.
Dillmake is in the animation, and now I've got my script, I've got my visual style, and I've got my story. I can select generate scenes at the top right hand corner. Vmake is going to sync everything perfectly with my animation and my selections, so I don't need a single editing tool or to do anything. It does it all for me in the browser. Next, I can select the model I would like to use, Seedance Pro, Kling, based on the quality I want and the generation time I have to get this done. I'm going to select Seedance 1.0 Lite, the perfect balance of everything, and then I'm going to select generate video.
And here I can then see my wonderful brand new video. Now there's music in the background automatically added, and I can change it in the top left hand corner if I would like to adjust the vibe. But once I am happy, I simply select export in the top right hand corner, and voila, the job is done.
Dillmake the little bear gazed at the silver moon every night, convinced it was made of giant honey. He dreamt of dipping his paw right in.
And there we have it, my amazing animated series is brought to life with the bear on the moon with that cool voice, and every feature is seamlessly strung together from my initial idea. The final thing to do is to choose your video ratio: 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Reels or TikTok, and 1:1 for social media posts. From there, you can go on to generate your video, and your full animation is ready in just minutes. And that's it, from a single idea to a completely animated video with a script, characters, and voiceover, all powered by AI. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. Let us know what you want to see next, and I look forward to catching you in the next one. Thank you.